一齊用熱烈掌聲歡迎我哋 NBA 傳奇球員 Kevin Garnett. Now the moment we will wait. Please welcome NBA legend, Hall of Famer Kevin Garnett to the court. Let's applause. Thank you, KG, for coming. Thank you. So, how do you think about NBA House? This is the first ever, in Macau or in the US. Before they don't have, right?
It's really cool in here, man. It's got a lot of activations in here. Obviously, it's the NBA. It's got a bunch of different screens and stuff. But yeah, it seems like a lot of good energy in here. Yeah.
好啦，咁啊 Kevin 咧就講到咧就話好多朋友仔都跟隨嚟啦，亦都一個活力啦，好有活力啦喺呢度。因為 NBA House 咧頭先同我傾過偈，其實喺美國咧係冇啦。